Om Namah Shivaya. Jai Bholinath. Warm welcome to my channel The Adi Yoga. Today let's talk about physiology and psychology. Body and mind are deeply connected with each other. Whatever a person's mind thinks, it has direct effect on his body. Just like if we are afraid of some disease, its symptoms start occurring automatically in our body. And when a good doctor tells us that there is nothing, you are healthy, so our mind automatically starts correcting the disease that has arisen from the mind, and we feel healthy and get well. Our mind is very powerful. We need to know it. We need to wake up it, which can be done by the action of the Adi Yoga. Two examples based on the power of the mind. The first example that has been told by me before 1.5 years ago, but still I say in brief. One man was hanged, and there was an experiment done by the doctors on him and told him that a very poisonous snake will bite you. Full details about the poison and that snake were told to him, and it was placed in his mind that this snake bite will cause such symptoms in your body. And when the time came, he was blindfolded and he was pierced with 2 needles. But he felt that the snake had stunk. Then the symptoms started coming in his body, same as the doctor placed in his mind, and he died. He and his thoughts were the reason for his death, because there was neither a snake nor the snake's venom. The second example I saw a long time ago in the Discovery Channel. There was a simple person, not a wrestler. He lifted approx a ton weight car and turned over it with the help of his hands. Then asked him how you did it. So he told that I imagined that there was my little daughter under the car, and if I didn't lift and turn over the car, she would be buried under the car, and I overturned the car. This is the power of our brain, the power of the mind, the power of our imagination, which is filled in every human. But how to use it, how to increase it, and how we can get that full power, these are all talks, but no one is able to teach it properly, which can be properly learned by the Adi Yoga. The strength of our mind is such that no one can imagine, because where the views of ordinary people can't reach, the nature is far ahead of it. The nature is beyond imagination. You are the Kalpavruksha, means imagination tree. You create your own world with your own imagination and also destroy it. Today, scientists are engaged in understanding the universe, but no one can understand it completely, because the universe is infinite and endless. The same infinite and endless universe is also inside you. That's why it says that Brahmand mein so pind mein, means the whole universe is in the body, which can be experienced by meditation yoga and samadhi, which can be experienced in the Adi Yoga. Every human being is a Kalpavruksha, means imagination tree. What you think, you become like your thoughts. As stated in the earlier video, the reason of our grief and suffering is ourselves, but it can't be understood without the knowledge of conscience, because everyone wants only happiness. Everyone thought in their mind whatever happens with them will be good. Why would anyone want grief or suffering for themselves? But still, most people are unhappy. The reason for that is themselves. But how? It is a little difficult to understand. For that, you have to go inside yourself. You will have to feel yourself to understand all this, which you can understand only through the meditation yoga, which is taught in the Adi Yoga. Most people in this world want to be smart, want to be artificial intelligence, and they are. So this means no one wants true happiness, real intelligence. Everyone is running in the desire of happiness, but suffering from grief, because no one knows the direction of running and also didn't know what condition will happen. But no one wants to become a real knowledgeable, who is able to change his direction and condition, who can increase the power of the mind, who meets you to God, who is within you, who takes the mind and body to the highest level. When you meditate properly, then your body starts to calm down and the mind also starts to calm down, by which you will realize that your breath is slowing down and you will realize a pleasure that you have hardly felt, which is not possible by the description of words, and you will realize that you are filling with the power, because when you sit in the meditation, cosmic energy starts increasing in you and you are moving to be perfection, and by this you will understand the depth of the body and mind, and through the practicing you can total control the body and the mind, which makes you very healthier by body and mind, which can learn in the Adi Yoga. So to join the Adi Yoga, call or WhatsApp to register your name today. The number is 9925642741. How did you like this information? Tell in the comment. If you like this video, then do not forget to share it so that the whole world can benefit from this information and knows what is the real spirituality of the Bharata. And till now, my channel, the Adi Yoga, has not been subscribed, then subscribe it first and press the bell icon so that you get the notification of new videos. That's all for today. We will meet on the next video. Om Namah Shivaya. Jai Bholenath.